My dear viewers, welcome back to Stay at Bliss. Today, we are presenting a video on most important subject. Hope this will highly be beneficial and merit your interest. Today's video is on mind these 16 points before buying a Mediclaim policy. Today, in India, around 25 companies are selling health, or popularly known as Mediclaim insurance policies. Though the terms and conditions are common for all these 25 insurance companies, in order to entice customers, insurance companies offer different types of policies, with varied features. In this video, we are highlighting 16 most important factors that one need to consider before buying or renewing a Mediclaim policy. Now, you can port your Mediclaim policy to other insurance company, in case you are unhappy with existing insurer, or if you think other companies are offering better services and features. Nevertheless, in my opinion, you should consider these most important points before buying a Mediclaim policy. Point number 1. Sum assured and premium. Assess your requirements, whether you need an individual policy or a family floater. When you go for a family floater policy, the premium will be much lower compared to separate individual policy for all of your family members. Secondly, if you have an elderly or senior citizen in your family, take an individual policy for him and a separate family floater policy for rest of the members. There are two reasons behind it. First, the premium amount is calculated on the basis of eldest person's age. So, you will be paying high premium collectively. Secondly, elderly persons may require frequent or long medical care. In that case, the entire amount of sum assured may be consumed by him, endangering other family members' medical expense protection. Point number 2. Ensure adequate cover. Sum assured should be sufficient to cover the hospitalization expenses of all the family members. In fact, there will be no much difference in premium amount if the sum assured a little higher. So, don't try to save money by taking a policy which may good for nothing. Please keep it in mind, nowadays, hospitalization is an expensive affair. Point number 3. Take specific policy for specific need. If any of your family member is diabetic or cardiac patient, then go for a specialized individual policy for them. This will definitely cost a little more, but it is worth, as he or she may require frequent medical care. Further, while taking policy, don't hide pre-existing illness, if any. Though medical expenses are not covered for a few years for pre-existing diseases, later on, you will be benefited. Point number 4. Room rent and accommodation. Check, is there any limit in room rent or on ICU charges? And the room rent mentioned are for shared accommodation, single accommodation, and for AC room or non-AC. Also check whether pre- and post-hospitalization expenses are covered. Point number 5. Waiting period clause and second opinion. Carefully go through the waiting period clause for other illness, surgery, pre-existing disease, and maternity. What are their clause on option for second medical opinion? Point number 6. Expenses excluded. Carefully read exclusion clause. Though these are most common for all insurance companies, yet you will come to know what are all excluded. Point number 7. Network hospitals. Before buying the policy, check whether your preferred hospital is in their list of network hospitals. You cannot avail cashless facility in case your preferred hospital's name is not in their list of network hospital. There are so many advantages if your nearby hospitals are empaneled. Point number 8. Copayment ratio. Copayment ratio, if any, and Copayment on Senior Citizen Plan. Copayment means, in some policies, copayment is compulsory. And, you need to bear some portion of the treatment cost. Please ascertain, what is this ratio? Point number 9. No claim bonus. No claim bonus %. What are the benefit you are going get, in case of, no claim during the policy period? Point number 10. Renewal clause, grace period, and, exit age limit. Lifetime renewal clause should be there, without any exit age limit. It is to your advantage, if, you renew the policy well in time. Because, the continuity of the policy, gradually enhances your eligibility, for surgery, pre-existing diseases, and, much more. Point number 11. Tailor-made policies. Again, assess your exact requirements. Nowadays, so many tailor-made policies are available, with varied feature, and, advantage. Though, the premium may vary, and, a little high according to the risk. Yet, it would give you, peace of mind. Point number 12. Don't risk, buy a policy, instantly. Don't delay, if you are yet to buy a Mediclaim policy, do it immediately. Mediclaim policy premium are much more cheaper, compared to, huge hospitalization expenses. Point number 13. Avail, tax benefit. Payment of premium by any mode other than cash, towards Mediclaim insurance, is eligible for relief, under Section 80D, of the Income Tax Act, 1961. Count this benefit, and, make use of it. Point number 14. Preserve the medical bills, and, test reports. As you are eligible to claim pre- and post-hospitalization expenses, cultivate a habit of preserving bills, for the medicines you are purchasing, from time to time. In case, you are not recovered from brief illness, and, you need to be hospitalized, then, all the expenses incurred during the past and post 1 month from hospitalization, can be reimbursed. Point number 15. Preserve old policy documents. Preserve your old policy documents. This may be required to evident your eligibility, if you are porting your policy, from one company to another. Point number 16. Top-up facility. Many of us have Mediclaim policy provided by our employer, covering, entire family, or, the only one, who works for the company. Among them, many people feel, that, the sum assured is inadequate, to cover the need of their entire family. Now, top-up facility is available, and, much cheaper also. So, you can avail this facility, and, protect your family, with adequate Mediclaim cover. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, with your family, and, friends. And, don't forget to press, like button. Your comments, and suggestions on this video, are most welcome.